Welcome back to Chipper Outdoors. Today we're giving some love to the 545 IWI Galil Ace 2, shooting two different types of ammo. We've got the Tela, which is 62 grain, and then we've got the Hornady Black, which is 60 grain. But I will say this, on pretty much every one with the lighter grain, I'm getting a nice crease here in my brass, whereas the steel, it doesn't bother it. So I'm shooting at 50 yards. Let's go take a look at that. So shot a couple targets, pretty much full mag on each of them. We're going to compare the groups and the difference in the grain. Now 50 yards is going to be a little bit different from the '50 yards and 100 yards. So here we go. Some here a little bit high. That's with the 162 grain Tula, and nice tighter group. A few low flyers, but with the Hornady Black, that's pretty decent. And then took a few other shots here and there, but pretty much the pattern is about the same, but the Hornady is giving me a much tighter group. So that's the IWI. I'm pretty impressed. 545 is a decent round. Yeah, I like it so far. It's a little more fun than the 7.62. The recoil is less. I'm using pretty much a battle optic, primary arms micro prism with the chevron, but the chevron is illuminated from black to non-illuminated. Dial it up to illuminated. It's a pretty clear glass and impressive unit for. See, it's sort of small here, but the glass is pretty clean. Adjustments, open turrets here and here. They're sort of not really depressed, but pretty smooth. And then there's a chevron adjustment. Battery life seems to be pretty good. So IWI Galil Ace Gen 2, thumbs up. Peace.